ghost shifting. Ghost shifting or ghost shift, your shifting stops working. So what is ghost shifting? Ghost shifting, ghost shifting, ghost shifting. There's no shift happening. Hello everybody, it's Graeme from Frontenac Cycle, and today I'm going to talk to you about an issue with shifting that many people have experienced. We refer to it as ghost shifting. Okay, so what is ghost shifting? Ghost shifting is when one part of the shifting mechanism gets stuck and doesn't click back into place. And so in order to fix that, we want to use a lubricant to release it and get it to function properly again. On your typical shifter that has all the coverings in place, there's usually on the back side an area where you could stick your nozzle in, and you just want to fill it up with a spray of lubricant. We use Metal Protector from Amsoil. It is a good lubricant and penetrating oil. And then you want to just shift the shifter a few times and make sure that that has worked its way in. And there you go. So now that we've gone over the causes and the fixes for ghost shifting, if you do oil your shifter and you continue to have an issue, please bring it into your local shop for further assessment. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe down below to keep receiving awesome content.